Okay, today's cameraman is Kenny.
Yay!
These two others. Not that. First stop home because Utah needs to poop.
Yay!
First poop count. Okay, hello. Hello, Kenny. Happy? And this is how Mocha looks at me every time I drive. We're watching Mansions right now. The Saborina is driving. Driving. Look there. Please look at the pen. Hello. Too long. Oh no! Oh shit!
Oh!
No, that was so shit. I think got her. And this is just for my cider. Utah got car sick, so he's gonna drive. Oh, so hey, now the two boys are together. Look, how do you feel? Good?
Which two boys are you talking about?
Huh? Oh, these two boys. Lisa, how are you feeling? Good. Why are you angry? Why are you angry?
Always angry.
Wow, very cute.
Very mindful.
So funky. A stop pie in the sky. That's a massive boy. I got chicken mushroom. Kenny got cheese bacon something. What did you get?
Mince.
Beef mince, and then Utah got chili beef. I've never seen someone eat a pie like that.
Yeah, I was watching it.
Yeah.
How else do you eat?
The Australian way to eat a pie. Oh, there's a little heart. So you gotta get the lid and the base separated. Gotta get the tomato sauce in. And then you can use the lid as a pastry and you dip it. Yum.
That's how you eat it, Australia.
What about you? What's your way?
Just, chop it up and then eat it.
Okay. Hi. What are you doing here? Hera!
Mocha toy.
Mocha. So, first, Kenny asked me to go through picking, and I was really shocked. And then we invited Brittany and Utah to come with us. Kenny was like, oh, I planned everything, I booked everything. I was like, okay. And then I saw James messaging him. I was like, why is he messaging you? I was like, did he plan this stuff? And then we came here to eat pie, and then we saw James and and we were like, oh. And then we realized that it was actually James who planned everything, and we just tagged along. Yeah.
So we're the third couple, fourth couple.
Yeah. So James doing all the work, and he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 couples together. So they're lonely. Yeah. Kenny got another pie.
Yeah.
The Aussie way of eating pie. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it looks like a bagel.
Yeah.
Nice. Matching bags for mom.
Very run down. I was like,
Yeah. 我看，咦，你为什么这样子笑？ Cute place. And we were picking. Brittany, what's that? Out of the way. I think Brittany cleaned her pants from the pee-pee. colleagues. Good, secured. Maka, look, it looks like you. Hi. Oh, really? Aww.
Must be so nice to hold.
And one more. How are you feeling, Cal?
So fun!
Nice backpack. Matches your shirt. Everyone got a apple juice
Yep.
because of Brittany. What? Did you guys plan this?
Yeah.
There's another. What? What are you guys doing here? Apples here. Granny Smith apple. Somebody is getting really tired. Okay, Dad. Hey, Dad. Good. Blood crumbs. Yum. Look.
Oh, I'm picking this one. The yellow one.
Yuta. Yes. This small. And the ones here are this big. Look. I can't do it. I'm too scared. Get it, Misa. Misa, good job. Somebody is calling. Misa.
Sit.
Oh, that was fast.
So 甜甜圈呢？
Sit. Away.
Lots of pears. Wow.
Good. There you go.
Gonna go to a picnic at
You don't
the
need a
park.
map, okay?
Mocha, are you excited to lie down? 哇，你好脏哦！你今天要洗澡了？你今天要洗澡？你今天要洗澡，Mocha？Okay.
So yummy.
Yeah, it doesn't taste. Okay. Mocha. Oh.
Pepsi.
6 pieces hot and crispy.
6 pieces hot and crispy.
And can I get
Popcorn chicken.
Can I get a popcorn
Chicken.
chicken?
Yeah.